ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकम् 82 श्लोक 3। योगिन्यतीव कुशला खलु चित्रलेखा तस्याः सखि विलिखति तरुणानशेषान् तत्रान् अनिरुद्धम् उषया विदितं निशायाम् आनेष्टयोगबलतो भवतो निकेतात्। Word by word meaning. Tasyaha Sakhi, her friend, Yogini, who had yogic powers, Ativa, Kushala, Khalu, and very skilled, Chitralekha, Asheshan, Tarunan, all young men, Vilikati, drawing, Tatra, among them, Ushaya, Viditam, recognized by Usha, Aniruddham, Aniruddha, Nishayam, in the night, Yoga Balataha, by her yogic powers, Bhavataha Niketat, from thy residence, Aneshta, brought. Full meaning. Chitralekha, the daughter of Kumbhanda, a friend of Usha who had yogic powers and was skilled in drawing, drew the pictures of all young men. Usha recognized Aniruddha from among them. Chitralekha then brought him at night to Usha from thy residence by means of her yogic powers. Om Tat Sat.